Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion pen tablet. I have Huion Kamvas 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the working area on this pen tablet. Firstly, to open the Huion tablet application, then find pen display, and here click working area, and here we have the area. And we can change it. We can change it to the other one if you have several display, for example. Or you can change the mode from full area to, for example, custom area. And now you can change this area. And for example, now my pen tablet will work only on this window. As you can see, now the corners of my pen tablet is the corner of my window. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.